Yes, my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Vibes 39 TV. Yes, my beautiful people, check in. We're streaming from St. Thomas, Jamaica, the land we all love, you know. Yes, my beautiful people, welcome to day 3 on the work site, you know. Yeah, man, thanks to all my new viewers. I see you guys coming. Thanks to all my old viewers as well. Yes, guys, we need those double H, you know. We are off the journey, so please share the video to our friends and family. Watch full time. Leave a comment behalf on what you like in the video. And let me know you're here, you know. So stick and stay. Watch what I go on. I'm going to take you guys to the clothes and I'm going to change and working at today again, you know. Yeah, man, stay tuned for some epic video. Vibes 39 is here with you today, guys. Yeah, man. No joke. Yeah, me peace. Please remember if you do watch out the video, guys. Watch out the video. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. Never get for show no day 2 yesterday because BM music was playing. And you know the copyright thing, you know? Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Watch what go on. Yeah, man. See them, my peeps? Them there. I working at today again. Me show no a video in it. Them me working yesterday. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Watch what go on. Yes, my beautiful peeps. Yes, read pan the work spot now, you know? Yeah, man, read pan the work spot now, so. Stay tuned, watch what go on. I go show you what we do for the past 2 days now, so. Stick and stay, catch you now. Yes, my peeps, it a come meet pan this right here, so, you know? So as you can see, the two line them, the line the tie, and the nearly, so we are work off of those two, so. So I go on now, my peeps. We reach right here, so right high road, house run, so. Checking what I go on going down. As you can see, one straight tunnel comes straight up, so the whole of the dirt on the side. Coming up same way. So yeah, man. The whole height at 3 feet, guys. I'm down there, so come up. It's 3 feet. So the person gonna lay a wall to part this land and his one, you know? Yeah, man. So here so is where we reach. So we have from there to do. Go there to there. Yeah, man. Stay tuned, watch what go on. St. Thomas, Jamaica. Yeah, man. See the next person I come the guy. Boy, you know, I go on a camera. See the now, peeps. First dirt dig, you know? Yeah, man. So I'm going to take out this now, you know? Yes, no, man. Stay tuned, watch what go on. See it, my peeps? Buck up on something I have to use with my hand now. Yeah, man. Like, share, and subscribe. The bigger man saying I want to go on a camera, my peeps. Stay tuned. What was one? It attack the blood clot.
Pause?
You can't pause it.
Talk, no one talk anything, you know, so you can go up and you have to know that.
Yes, my beautiful people, good evening, good afternoon, good night, we are here. We come to the end of the video, you know. Yeah, man, so I want to say thanks to you all, you know, for being here with me throughout the channel. Yeah, and I want to say thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks to all the old subscribers, you know. Vibes 39 TV. Here bringing you a lot of different type of content. And today is third day now. I'm on this working, you know. So I'm gonna show you the finishing up. Yes, so stay tuned. Yes, my peeps, see it there? With a wall of come meet on that long post. Yeah, so there it is, my peep. Yeah, man, there it is, you know. Most of the dirt on the bank inside. Yeah, and sit down there again. It shows some sand down in there. So this long thing can go down in there, you know. So this is the first thing them go put down in there before them cast the foundation. No, the wall, sorry about that, the wall. Yeah, man, so it gone right down there. Yeah, my peeps. Yeah, man. Glad to have you guys here, you know? St. Thomas, Jamaica. Land we all love. No joke. Yeah, man, my peeps. So we are close off the video for today. That is it.